My dear fellow viewers, this is Suman Pachigula, and in this video, you are going to understand what is that it is required for you to go from where you are to where you want to go. Alright? And now, it is not only about your performance, your skills, but there is something it is behind which can regulate your success. But now, if you want to truly grow in this industry, then you got to focus on the that skill that is behind everything is communication. So you got to understand what is that it is required for you to become that person from where you are now. Understand? So that is what is the first level of thinking you required in order to move forward in your promotion journey. And now, coming back to the communication, you got to understand this is not about what you speak. Correct? According to the research, 55% in the communication that depends upon the body language that you use. All right? And 38%. How much? 38% depends on how you talk, meaning your tonality, your intonation, and your energy. That's what it is. And only 7% require the words. But what we do? We focus more on the words, what is that we are going to talk, and we forget how we should relay that information to the other person, right? So now on, instead focusing on the spoken words, but you got to focus on how your intonation, your tone, your energy is communicating through your spoken words, and use your body language, your facial expression, your hands, your shoulder, your chest, your legs, and everything if you're talking to someone in person, in order to have a bigger impact. Got it? And you may ask me, Suman, I'm a recruiter. I just call people over phone and I email and I submit. Then why do I need everything to become the leader or to grow in my career? Okay. So do you think for your whole life you will just calling people and making submission and making placement? That's what it is. जिंदगी भर रिक्रूटर की जैसे मरना है क्या और कुछ नहीं करना है जिंदगी में? So you got to focus on where you want to go. Alright? And if you want to go to the next level, your current level of understanding, communication, your thinking, your skills cannot take you to the next level. I bet, because whatever the knowledge you had that brought you this far. Okay? And for you to go from this far to that far, you need this much of knowledge where you can go there. Got it? So this is what is the secret in getting promotions and going ahead. So now, why do you need and where exactly you are going to use this communication is, imagine you have to give a team presentation. Imagine you have to share your achievements in the company. Imagine you are explaining your team something, then how you are going to do that? If you do not know the art of communication, how would you understand that the listener has received the message that you wanted to communicate? Are you getting my point? So once you focus on the body language, tonality, then it comes the words that you choose. So from now, start focusing on how your body language is impacting your spoken words. Meaning, if you are a recruiter now, do not slouch back inside the chair, but sit straight, have your spinal cord and have your body erected, and hold your phone here and talk from your diaphragm. Talk from here. Do not talk from here or from your nose. Talk as if you are the authority, and talk as if the person is standing in front of you. All right. Now, as I'm doing it, right, as if you guys are standing in front of me, because I'm using the hand gesture, and I'm giving everything that look as if you guys are standing in front of me and we are communicating, correct? So the same way, if you start doing one by one, it's very much possible that you can go from your level to that level very soon. All right. If you have any question, feel free to comment and I would love to attend that. Once again, this is Suman Pachigula. I am on a mission to impact 5 million lives. Take care and God bless, guys. Take care.